everybody, this is Dipti Harshad Vartak and welcome to my baking channel. Today we will learn a new cake design. So today I'll show you how to assemble a chocolate truffle cake, how to make a chocolate flower and how to arrange this chocolate flower on your cake in the most unique way. So let's get started. Now let us see how to make chocolate flower using stencils. You get such stencils in the market. Okay, so using this you can create petals, and those petals then we are going to use together so as to form a beautiful flower out of it. Okay. So we need such A4 size acetate sheets as well. This is easily available in the market. In the stationery shop you will get it very easily. Now what we are going to do next is, see, if you start putting chocolate over here, it is going to spread. Okay, it is going to go below this, so we are just going to tape it. Now for that you can use such paper clips and try to arrange it, or what you can do is you can simply take a sellotape and try to attach it over here. Okay, now what you can do is take a melted chocolate in the piping bag, cut a fine end and start so likewise we are going to fill the entire stencil mold. Now this we are going to set it in a refrigerator for about 5 minutes, and then we are going to see how the petals are looking. Now this is nicely set, so let us remove this. Pop them gently and they will come off. And you have to see the petal from the back side. Okay, so this is how it is going to go. So we have some tiny petals. Now what we will do is we can take a cookie cutter like that. Of course we need melted chocolate as well. Now we have to arrange the petals. So now this melted chocolate is going to act as a glue, and this is how the petals are going to go. The next set of petals we are going to arrange in between. So now this is all done. It looks absolutely gorgeous. What you can do is, if you are working in AC, the chocolate will set immediately, so you just have to pop it from below. Okay, and the chocolate will come off easily. Even if one petal falls off, you know what to do. You can use some melted chocolate over there and try to attach the petal. This way you can make more and more number of petals and start attaching over here. You can even arrange the petals like this. So there are 4 big size petals that are available in this particular stencil. So what you can do is you can make 8 of them for the base, and then the remaining flowers you can arrange it like this. You can just make a small flower using the technique that I have shown using the cookie cutter, and then while finally placing it on your cake, you can arrange these petals on the sides of this small flower, and it is going to look absolutely gorgeous on your cake. You can just simply pick your small flower and you can stick it to your cake like that. See, this way also it is looking nice, but like I said, you can use melted chocolate and you can use these petals on the sides. Or you can just simply raise all the petals together. So the flowers are together like this, or maybe the flowers are just, the petals are all falling down on the cake, and that's how you can complete the cake. So I hope you have loved this video. If you have loved it, click a like button, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that whenever a new video comes in, you get notified about it. Thank you so much.